why your English isn't improving. Here are 5 genuine reasons why your English might not be improving and practical steps you can take to overcome these obstacles. 1. Lack of immersion in authentic content. Reason: relying too heavily on textbooks or simplified materials. Example: only reading graded readers or watching English lessons on YouTube. Remedial action: engage with native level content regularly. Read newspapers, watch unedited TV shows, listen to podcasts, and participate in conversations with native speakers. 2. Insufficient focus on productive skills. Reason: overemphasis on passive learning, reading and listening, at the expense of active production, speaking and writing. Example: understanding complex articles but struggling to express similar ideas verbally. Remedial action: increase opportunities for output. Join language exchange programs, write a blog in English, or record yourself speaking to improve fluency. 3. Neglecting idiomatic expressions and colloquialisms. Reason: focusing solely on formal or academic English. Example: using overly formal language in casual situations, sounding unnatural. Remedial action: study and practice using idioms, phrasal verbs, and colloquial expressions. Watch comedy shows or read contemporary fiction to expose yourself to everyday language. 4. Insufficient attention to pronunciation and intonation. Reason: prioritizing vocabulary and grammar over pronunciation. Example: using advanced vocabulary but with noticeable accent issues that hinder comprehension. Remedial action: work with a pronunciation coach or use speech recognition software. Practice shadowing techniques with native audio content. 5. Lack of specific, targeted goals. Reason: vague objectives like improve my English without clear, measurable targets. Example: studying randomly without a structured plan or clear objectives. Remedial action: set smart goals, specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, time-bound. For instance, learn 50 new phrasal verbs and use them correctly in conversation within 1 month. By addressing these issues, advanced learners can break through plateaus and continue to refine their English skills. Apart from these 5 indisputable reasons, there are other equally common reasons why your English is not improving. 1. Lack of consistent practice. Example: you study English intensely for a few weeks and then take long breaks without practicing. Remedial action: dedicate specific times each day or week to practice English, even if it's just for 15 to 30 minutes. 2. Limited exposure to English. Example: you only use English in the classroom or during specific study sessions but switch to your native language outside of these contexts. Remedial action: watch movies, listen to podcasts, read books and articles, and try to speak with native speakers or other learners as much as possible. The more you expose yourself to the language, the more natural it will become. Example, you spend all your time memorizing grammar rules and lists of vocabulary words but don't practice using them in context. Simply knowing the rules and words isn't enough if you can't apply them in real conversations. 3. Focusing too much on grammar and vocabulary. Remedial action. Balance your studies by practicing speaking, listening, reading, and writing in real-world contexts. Example, you avoid speaking English because you're afraid of making mistakes and being judged. Remedial action. Embrace mistakes as learning opportunities. 4. Fear of making mistakes. The more you practice, the more confident you will become. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tips and lessons. Remember, a word a day keeps your eloquence at play. Track your progress and celebrate your achievements to stay motivated. Please subscribe and click the notification button.